Welcome back to my secret lair, where I'm going to review this new Smith & Wesson, it's not new, Smith & Wesson M&P Shield. This is a 9mm. I love this gun. This is a really cool gun, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So it's about an inch wide. It has about a 7.1, 7+1 or 8+1 capacity. I think you can get an extendo mag for it. It is really cool, although I will tell you that tension, that spring inside there is under a lot of pressure. So to release and cock that slide, it is a tough one. Other than that, I don't have any complaints. I love the fit and finish of this gun. I love the way it feels. This certainly is, you feel like you're getting a lot of gun for the money. Retail is about MSRP, I think it's around $500 and up for these things fresh out of the wrappers, so not too bad. Other than that, there's a little funky thing. When you do break this thing down, there is like a safety inside it that's, I will show you real quick. We're gonna break this thing down real quick. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You flip, let's lock this thing back. Let's lock this thing back first. I'm gonna flip that down. Oh, so here's the part I was telling you about. So let's see if we can pick it up. So right in there, you can see that shiny piece. See that shiny loop? I'm gonna bend it, not bend it out, but I'm just gonna take my screwdriver, and all you do is you go just right underneath it. And I just wanna make sure the camera can see that. So, all right, right there, because I'm wearing that nice bright yellow. This is a vintage Star Speedway t-shirt. So there's that thing bent out. Now that we can do that, it'll allow the slide to go all the way off. So it's some kind of safety mechanism, but I do not want to lie to you and tell you what I know what it is, because I don't. So once that's off, very little tension on this while it's in the weapon, but there's a shitload of it when it's out. That's out, barrel back in. All right, that's back in. It's lined up kind of good, kind of straight. Line the grooves up like always. Once that's in there, give that the old flipperooski. And we still have, that piece is bent right there. Still see it's bent. Hold on, let me go against my yellow. Boom, 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 it's bent out. What you can do to remedy that, put the magazine in. We take the magazine out and it's back to where it's supposed to be. And we put that down, and Bob is your uncle. This is a cool little weapon. So for the money, can't go wrong. If you're looking for a cool little carry gun, can't go wrong. The 9mm stuff that's coming out now, the Plus P Plus, it is rip roaring. So if you like it, get out there and get it. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for all the support.